my name is Jenny. Today we are going to be doing a delicious, healthy side dish. We are going to be making baked asparagus. It only takes just a few ingredients. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Then you want to make sure to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Gently rub asparagus under cool running water and trim off any hard ends. Lay asparagus in shallow, flat pan. A 9x13 works great. Drizzle asparagus with vegetable oil. Sprinkle with some lemon juice. Garlic powder and a pinch of black pepper. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Rotate your asparagus halfway through cooking for even heating. This is our finished product, the baked asparagus. It smells delicious. Find the full recipe on the Eat, Move, Save website.